Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Jeff the Homeowner. Today we're going to replace the trunk latch because that's why it's horrible. It doesn't latch right, it makes noises, and we're going to replace it with the same model from Ford. Okay, there's the model, there it is, model number. Okay, that's what we're going to replace in the 2007 Mustang convertible. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is pull the cover off, and all we got to do is pull down and towards you and it'll come out. Unleash and slide that emergency trunk release through there, and then just let this hang. Alright, you got 3 bolts holding this, or 3 nuts holding this in. Just unscrew these. There's one. Two. Oh, and we gotta unhook this. There we go. Hopefully you're seeing that and my hands are not in the way. Alright. That. There we go. Now we unhook this guy. Let's see what we got going here. Alright, we need to unhook him. That gets pried back. There we go. And there's the bad one. That's it. The new one. Nothing special about what's in this box except for the new one. Alright, so we put everything in reverse order. This goes back in here. Click, snap. Alright. This guy fell off, so that goes here, in there. Wrong way. There we go. Alright. That goes here. And then that one goes here. Nut. And then last nut. There we go. Alright. Tighten that back up. Oh, sorry, just missed this section. I gotta do it again. Sorry about that. Alright, this has to go in this little slot first. Then this goes in. And that goes in. Just like that. There we go. those other two nuts back on there. This goes back on, just like that. Alright, tighten. Safety latch goes back through the hole there. I hope you can see that. Alright, and then slides right in. Snaps, done. That goes back here. Test it out. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth. I think it works. Let's close the trunk. Sounds good. Unlocked. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright, so if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.